Hello mga katsararat and welcome again to my channel. So kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may bago tayong upload. So for today's video, we're going to do another unboxing and we have here this Poco Pad together with the Poco Pad keyboard and the Poco Smart Pen. Ayan. So yun nga guys, nakuha ko to during the 3/3 Lazada sale. And kung wala pa rin kayong Shopback application, i-download nyo na yan. Andito yung lalagay ko sa baba, yung link. So you'll get instant rebate and rewards for every purchases you made from your favorite online store. Ayan, so itong Poco Pad, nakuha ko to, yun nga, during the 3/3 sales. This was originally priced at 15,999. Ayan, ayaw mag-focus. Ayan, pero currently naka-sale siya ng 13,499. But during the 3/3 sale, nakuha lang natin tong item na to for 11,498. Ayan, so naka-combo tong Poco Pad together with the pen. So ayan, so parang pumapatak na nasa 900 na lang tong pen. 999. Then I got this for 10,500 yung ating tablet or yung ating Poco Pad. Then I bought this Poco Pad keyboard separately, and ito nakuha ko naman siya, tignan lang ko yung price just to confirm. So the keyboard was originally for 2,159 pesos, pero nakuha ko lang siya ng 1,743.56. So all in all, nasa 13,200 pesos siya for the whole package. So ayan. And it took 7 days for this package to arrive. Actually, mas nauna tong keyboard. Dumating tong keyboard after 3 days. Then itong Poco Pad together with the pen after 7 days. Kasi galing pa nga siya ng China. So ayun, so huwag na natin patagalin, let's do the unboxing. So i-unbox muna natin tong ating pen. So here's the Poco Smart Pen or pinaka-stylus niya. So nakalagay dito, yan, Poco Pen, then Poco Smart Pen. So then the model type nandito na rin, ayan. Then, what else? So, it says Bluetooth. Yun lang naintindihan ko kasi iba na yung language niya. Then, that's it. So, let's open. So, yan guys. So, here's the pen. So, mabigat siya ng kaunti compared dun sa isa kong stylus na almost magkamuka. Yan. So, there's 2 buttons here. Then yung pinaka-tip. Then the charging port, and I think this is the indicator, yung maliit. Then we also have here, okay, so the extra tip, ayan. Then we have here the manual. So we have the the quick start guide and the warranty card. Ayan. So let's proceed naman with the keyboard. Let's just put this aside. So yeah, for the keyboard, it says here Poco Pad keyboard. Then at the back, ganun din, side. Right, so wala naman masyado. So nakalagay lang dito, package content. Tablet, keyboard, pen holder, quick start guide, and warranty card. Yeah, so let's go. Let's open it. Alright, so here's the keyboard. So ayan. So it's naka-covered pa naman siya ng cloth-like cover. There. And actually mabigat-bigat siya. Open here. So ayan siya. And it says here Poco. There you go. So ayan. So it feels premium naman when it comes to pinaka keyboard niya. Then yeah, this is somewhat Parang plastic na leathery. Then what we have here, I think these are the paperworks. Yeah, so we have here the PocoPad Keyboard Quick Start Guide and the warranty card or the warranty booklet. Then let's see what's on the other side. Okay, so we have here we have here the pen holder. Ayan, so ididikit lang siya. I think ididikit siya here dito sa ibabaw. Ayan, dito. Ayan. So we have two of this. And it feels like parang sa upuan yung leatherette. Yeah. So let's just put this on the side, then let's check. So I think this is made of hard plastic. And it feels premium naman. So we have here the power button. Ayan. Then we have the charging port. It's USB Type-C. Ayan. Then I think we have here the indicator, light indicator pag nag-charge. I think hindi pa siya charge kasi hindi siya nag-iilaw. Ayan. So I think kailangan pa siyang i-charge. Then that's it. So wala nang iba. Very straightforward. Ganun lang siya. Then ayun nga, andito yung pinaka lalagayan ng pen. Yung pinaka sleeves. Dito siya ididikit. Then of course the hole for the camera. It's here. And it's somewhat may kabigatan ng kaunti. Alright, so let's proceed now to the main product. So for the main item, we have here the PocoPad. Ayan. So yan ito yung pinaka-box niya. So it says PocoPad. Then we have the Poco logo here. And it says here Dolby Vision Atmos. Then on the side of the back, of the box rather, so we have here yung PocoPad pa rin with your favorite Google apps. Google is a trademark of Google LLC. Same here. Then we have here, it says here PocoPad in blue. So I got the blue color. So available siya in black and blue. So not in black pala, it's dark gray and blue. So kinuha ko yung blue. Ayan. So para maiba lang. Then it says here 8GB RAM and 256GB of ROM. Ayan. So this is the second generation or the global version ng PocoPad. And as per their website, I think this was released mid of 2024. Ayan, so it says here package content, yung tablet computer, the adapter, the USB Type-C cable, quick start guide, the warranty card, SD card ejector. Yun, so yun lang yung kasama niya for this package. So open na natin, guys. Alright, so ayan guys, so we have here the PocoPad. It says here 12.1 inches, then 120 Hz and 2.5K display, Snapdragon 7S or Gen 2 mobile platform, then 10,000 mAh large battery, then it supports 33 watts fast charging, and powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. With quad speakers for immersive stereo sound. Ayan. So, bago natin yan i-open, tignan muna natin yung iba pang laman ng box. Okay, so we have here the adapter and the power cord. Ayan, so USB and Type-C type. Ayan. Then we have here the quick start guide and the warranty card and the SIM ejector, rather it's the card ejector, the SD card ejector, yun lang. So wala na. So let's proceed with the tablet. So ito na siya. So may kalakihan nga siya. Ayan. Alright, so ayan yung pagka-blue niya. It's somewhat parang may pagka-navy blue pag natatamaan ng liwanag. Ayan. Then it says here Poco. Then we have here yung pinaka-camera niya, and don't get confused. Isa lang yung camera niyan. The other one is for the flash. Ayan. So here's the actual front face of the tablet. So we have here the camera. So same lang yung camera niya sa front at sa back. It's 8 megapixel. Ayan. Then we have here the volume. I'm sorry, it's here. Ayaw mag-focus. Nakita ba yan? So we have here the volume. I think this is the microphone. Yan. Dalawa. Dito rin. Yan. Then we have the card slot here. Then we have here the speaker. So yan, sa baba. Then we have the charging port by USB Type-C. And we also have here the 3.55mm jack. Yan, so kung old school pa rin kayo, nagmagamit kayo ng wired headset, so you can still use it here. And on the other side, wala. Ayan. And on the other side naman, we have here another 2 speakers and of course, the power button. So there, the power button. Then it also says here, Dolby Vision Atmos. So ayan. So that's it. So actually ayoko muna siyang i-open kasi hindi ako prepared na i-set up pa siya. So for now, yan, we just did the unboxing of our Poco Pad together with the Poco keyboard and the Poco Smart Pen. So ayan. So guys, so kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends na rin. And kung hindi pa rin kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe na kayo. And ayun, so thank you for joining me for this another unboxing. And i-enjoyin ko muna itong aking tablet pag mamaya at isa-set up ko pa din siya. So enjoy the rest of the day and bye for now. Bye!